magpo-post sa Facebook.
Bath area. For this one is lunch area. First thing to do is, okay, get counters inside to outer, okay?
Mami,
and then dry.
dito.
Oo, dito. Ganun, may ano. Tapos, dry lang. Wet and dry, ha? Then other side.